Madison. I feel very honored today to be part of this IGSA Diwali night, and even more honored because I get a chance to interview one of the finest batsmen of Indian cricket and my favorite cricketer. If cricket is the religion,
Hey, Atta. Oh, Paji, good evening.
Good evening, Sachin Tendulkar. Seems like you had a very ordinary Champions Trophy this time around. What happened there, Sachin?
Well, yeah, definitely, we thought we had a good team, with a mixture of youngsters and experienced guys like myself and Rahul. But unfortunately, our bowlers, they did not do a good job and we lost a couple of important games, But for me, I see some good potential for the future of Indian cricket,
Potential is proved not on the paper, but in the grass in the middle. And the Indian team has failed miserably this time. Anyway, Sachin, I see that you are wearing a Mumbai Indians jersey. Is there a special reason for that?
Well, yeah, most definitely, we think we are going to host the next IPL season in the US.
Outside India? Again? And why is that?
Well, Paji, as you know, last time, we had to shift the IPL to South Africa because of the elections. And you never know, you can never predict the political situation in India, So, so basically the organizers thought that we should have IPL outside India at all times, try to make cricket a global game.
Well, on that note, I see IPL as a money-making machine. It generated a lot of money from sponsors in India and South Africa. But do you really think that that formula is going to work in the US, especially in this economy? Fishing in a dry pond, all you will find is grass and pebbles.
Well, Paji, if you are referring to the current economic crisis, well, we are aware of this. But, we think if we are able to generate enough money from the sponsors, and from the advertisements, we think we can help the US economy improve a bit. And, we thought all these graduate students then ultimately will get decent jobs. And, ultimately they will come and watch our matches, especially watch me bat, and that will generate some more money.
Okay, helping US economy with an IPL is a fantastic idea. But have you heard about the Madison Local Cricket League?
Well, yeah, definitely. We have heard about the Madison Local League, and in fact, we are thinking of signing a fast bowler called Atul Abhyankar, I have heard that he's a really fast bowler with decent line and length.
Atul, have you seen his recent pitch map? It's like an octopus fallen from a tree, all over the place.
Well, then there's also a batsman called Abhijit Deshpande, I have heard that he's called the local Sehwag of Madison, and they say he can take apart a bowling attack on his day.
You've got it all wrong, my friend. Abhijit is like an Indian three-wheeler. It will suck a lot of gas but never go beyond 30.
Well then, Paji, but there's no harm in having a second look, We have a bunch of young Mumbai Indian players out here to play against the local teams, especially the teams led by Mr. Naval Chanware and Shyam Bharat, But we don't expect our boys to do so well against such brilliant players. But yeah, we do expect our boys to get exposed to different conditions, and we expect to try out new things for the team.
Trying out is good. The only thing that you get without trying is dandruff.
Well, Paji, it always amazes me how you manage to come up with such brilliant phrases at the right amount of time.
It's all from the heart, my friend. Dil se.
Well, Paji, before your Dil Mange More, I think I should get going. I have to shoot a commercial for Pepsi this time at the Memorial Union Terrace. So I think I should be going now.
Sachin, before you leave, could you please autograph this bat for the Madison Association?
Definitely.
Well, thank you, Sachin, and we look forward to seeing you in World Cup 2011.
Yeah, thanks, Paji, and thanks to IGSA and all my fans. I expect you will support us for the World Cup 2011. Thank you.
All right, friends, let's get on with the show. We have 10 beautiful ladies gracing the stage for a semi-classical dance. I wonder why 10? There should be 11 in a team. Anyway, so this is a fusion dance for the song Thai Yashoda, a song in praise of Lord Krishna from the Morning Raga album. In this dance, we try to depict the different stages of Krishna, from the stage where the Gopikas go complaining to Mother Yashoda about Krishna's naughtiness, to Krishna with Kalinga, and concludes with Krishna and Gopikas at Brindavan. The participants are Vidya, Divya, Jyotsna, Divyamaya, Deepshika, Shayoni, Teja, Saranya, and Rashi. Wow, with so many gopis, I wish I was the Krishna. But bad luck, let's get on with the show.